There's a lot of beautiful stuff here too, though. Wish people would notice it more. If it were me,
If it were you, what?
I don't know. Like I'd make them notice.
മഴ പുഞ്ചിരി കൊഞ്ചലുകൾ പഞ്ചരമണി ചുണ്ടിലെ ചുംബനങ്ങൾ എന്നോട് പറയാത്ത സ്വകാര്യങ്ങൾ